everyone, I'm Renee from Wanna Scrap. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please feel free to do so and hit that bell notification so that you're updated on any new videos that come out. I am doing a tier tray series right now, and there will be other videos going in there too for fall decor, which I'm so excited to share. But anyways, we're on to part 4. I hope you've been enjoying this series. I absolutely love how everything turned out. And yeah, let's get on with it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have a good day and happy crafting. Bye. So the first of these 3 in this video, I did purchase some plastic napkin rings from the Dollar Tree, and you will need some E6000 or another strong glue like that. And you will need to let this set for a while. And I'm just getting the glue all around for a good strong hold. And you just want to hold it for a moment and then get the rest glued on. And for the first vase, I'm using 4 napkin rings, and then the second one I'm using 2 napkin rings just to offset the sizes. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm just putting on the last one for this vase. And then I'm constructing the other one. And because of the vibrant colors I wanted in my home, I did spray paint these gold with this Rust-Oleum gold metallic paint. And there they are painted. And of course I wanted to add a fall look to it, so I did grab some of my burlap roll and some of my berry garland. And I just measured it to make sure it'll fit all the way around, and I will be hot gluing this together. This came together so cute, you guys. I absolutely love it. It's hard to believe that they're actual plastic napkin rings from the Dollar Tree. I just love how they turned out. And of course you can glue flowers down or leaves, anything you want. They just make that perfect extra little addition to any home decor. Any little corner shelf, or as I'm doing it, I'm putting it on the tier tray. But I know next year these little pieces will come in handy for certain shelves that I have too. Like, look at how cute that's looking already. And this burlap ribbon was the perfect size for this project. And I do believe I got that from the Dollarama. Where I live in Canada, we do have different dollar stores: Dollarama, Dollar Tree, Dollar Way, your dollar store with more. But most of my main 2 stores are the Dollar Tree and Dollarama. So I'm just getting some berry garland glued on here just for some extra color, just a little bit of extra pop. And you can double this up too if you want, because the berries are spaced few and far between for such a small object. But I may go back and cover these up too, I'm not sure, because I did just leave the single one on. They're so cute. I love how they turned out. Now for the second DIY. Oh, we're not on to the second one yet. I did add some flowers here. Of course, to put in the vase. And I just change out the flower buds on the head of the flowers. to make it all more cohesive so that there's not too much in one area. And I love the spirally curlicues they have on the branches, so I thought that was a really nice touch. And I was going to use some of the fall pick, but I did put it in another DIY, so but it looks beautiful with it, as you can see here. It works perfect on any little corner shelf. Now, these houses I had gotten from Chelsea, who is Sugar Ray Crafts here on YouTube. When I very first saw these little houses, I just fell in love with them. So thanks so much, Chelsea. I do appreciate them. And but I wasn't sure what I would use them for, but they were the perfect little addition to add more detail to my fall tray. And I'm just trying to get the stickers off so I have a nice clean palette to work with here. I just love that tip of to melt it off with a heating gun. It's perfect. And of course you get your old glue gun out there and you're good to go. And I'm just sanding off any extra residue and any rough edges. And then I pull out my gel stains, and I do stain them each different colors. Just to give it that little bit more variety. One I do believe was maple and the other one was walnut. And this one here is either the oak or the maple, but they're all nice colors. I just wanted some contrast. And I'm just getting the stain all covered through there. And you can use acrylic paint too, obviously, and change it up any way you want. But as I said, I love these little houses. They were a great little detail to add to my fall tray. So thank you once again, Chelsea. I do appreciate the gift. All the wonderful gifts. So now I'm just going to add some twine around these, just to give it that little extra detail. And you just want to hot glue that down and give it a snip. These would look really cute too with the addition of a flower or the berry garland, or even some of that beautiful autumn confetti that we've all bought. And I'm just getting a little bit more twine wrapped around there. And a little snip, and we're done. So adorable. Now this is a craft I had kicking around for a long time. When I very first started crafting, I was playing around with different ideas, and this one was like a tuna can or cat or dog food can, anything you like that. And what I had done is I had spray painted them black. I'm sure there's videos all over YouTube on how to do this. And you just take your clothespins, paint them if you like, and just pin them right onto the can. So I thought it would be a great addition because I had painted it gold a couple of years ago. I thought it would be perfect with this fall decor this year. And plus the project was already half done. I have so many project ideas in my head, and I thought this would be a great quick one to add to my decor. So I'm just getting the burlap all straightened out, and I'm just going to remove a couple of pieces to fray it so it's even with the other side. And we're just going to hot glue that right on there. I was so glad that I was finally able to use this project. It's just one of those things you just kind of put on the back burner, and and you hope and pray you'll use it for another project, and the day finally came. So I was very, very happy to use this. And it turned out so cute with the burlap and the flowers. I love it. So now I'm just going to put a couple of leaves on there and a nice little flower. I've been getting so much uses out of these flowers that I had bought a couple of years ago from the dollar store also. So they've been really coming in handy throughout my projects this year. So quick and easy. I just love the results of this, plus the rustic look of the clothespins. And voila, you drop in a tea light candle and you are good to go. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and love to have you here. Take care. Stay safe. Bye for now.